Hello guys, this is my battering. Here's one. In my other episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make these. Here's one, two, and one. So in my other episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make that. But I'm on my back, and my other episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make them, and that's it. So, let me give you a hint from my other episode. You need scissors and tape and one piece of paper to make the bag. There's one more look at it. When you throw it, it floats straight and pretty good. And I'm gonna think, I don't know what his name is, but he's the one that taught me that. And I want to thank him one more time. And if he's watching this, keep it up.